Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Sfml in Visual Studio. Firstly, download the Sfml download page. Visit the Sfml download page and select the version that matches your system. Once downloaded, unpack it to a location of your choice on your computer. Now open a Visual Studio and create a new empty project. Under project type, select console application or Windows application depending on your needs. Create a main.cpp file to add C++ code to your project. Go to Project Properties, Configuration Properties, C or C++, then Language. Change the C++ language standard to ISO C++17 standard. Go to the Project Properties, and then Configuration Properties, then General. In addition, include directories, add the path to Sfml, like include. Go to Project Properties, Configuration Properties, then Linker, then General. In additional library directories, add the path to the Sfml lib folder. Link the required Sfml libraries. For debug mode, use the D suffix. For the release mode, use the non-suffix libraries. If you are using dynamic Sfml libraries, make sure the appropriate DLL files are in the same folder as your executable, or place them in a directory that is part of your system's path. Now all you have to do is build and run the project. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.